Former U.S. President Donald Trump is once again taking a firm stand against the high cost of prescription drugs in the United States. In a renewed effort to make healthcare more affordable for Americans, Trump is preparing to sign a new executive order aimed at slashing drug prices by aligning them with those paid in other developed countries. Trump first introduced this approach while in office, but it faced stiff resistance from the pharmaceutical industry and was entangled in legal disputes. The policy was eventually halted and withdrawn by the Biden administration. Now, Trump is reviving the plan as part of his renewed focus on healthcare reform and consumer protection. The proposed policy follows the most favored nation pricing model, which would require that the U.S. pays no more for select prescription medications than the lowest price charged in countries with similar economic standings such as Canada, France, Germany, and the United Kingdom. This strategy is designed to address the long-standing issue of American consumers paying significantly more for the same drugs than patients in other parts of the world. Trump originally introduced this concept during his first term in office, branding it a revolutionary step in fighting Big Pharma's pricing power. However, the initial rollout was met with intense opposition from the pharmaceutical industry and various legal challenges. Courts blocked the policy before it could be fully implemented, and the subsequent administration under President Joe Biden later scrapped the plan entirely. Now, Trump is bringing the idea back to the forefront of his political agenda, promising to take strong executive action to finally deliver on what he considers one of his key healthcare promises. He argues that American taxpayers should not continue to subsidize cheaper medication costs for other countries while bearing the brunt of inflated prices at home. While the full scope of the new executive order has not yet been released, it is expected to target high-cost drugs covered under Medicare, which serves millions of senior citizens. Healthcare analysts and policy experts are watching closely to see how the order will be structured, which drugs it will impact, and how the pharmaceutical industry will respond this time around. The issue of drug pricing remains a top concern among American voters. Rising costs have forced many patients to ration medications or skip treatments altogether, leading to worsening health outcomes. If successful, Trump's policy could mark a significant shift in how the U.S. government negotiates with drug manufacturers and addresses public health equity. This executive action is likely to spark fresh debate among lawmakers, healthcare professionals, and advocacy groups. Supporters view it as a long overdue correction to a broken system, while critics argue it could reduce innovation and limit access to cutting-edge medications. As more details emerge, we'll continue to bring you timely updates on this major development and its potential impact on healthcare in America.